Hello everyone, my name is Srisatya Umidi. With the help of my teammate Venkatakaran Okalligala Subramanyam, we are going to analyze the Gordie Howe International Bridge. Before starting the slides, I want to tell you about the overview of the project. The Gordie Howe International Bridge project is a once in a generation undertaking. Not only will the project deliver much needed transportation improvements for international travelers, it will also provide jobs and opportunities for growth to the Windsor Detroit region and includes features that make his project truly distinctive. Coming to the slide, it's about the project initiation and planning. Community benefits plans that take into account people on both sides of the border are an excellent approach to demonstrate how seriously the project takes the need to compensate those who stand to lose from it. Complicating matters further, the project also includes improvements and changes to a number of municipal bridges and roadways in the area of Michigan interchange with Interstate 75. Coming to the next slide, it's about the project initiation and planning. Before starting this, I want to tell you some points about the greatness of this project. It will provide for the safe, efficient, and secure movement of people and goods across the Canada to United States border, the Detroit River area, to support the economies of Ontario, Michigan, Canada, and the United States. The new six-lane bridge across the Detroit River between Windsor, Ontario, and Detroit, Michigan is a component of new end-to-end transportation system that also includes associated border inspection plazas and connections to the freeway systems in Ontario and Michigan. This project will provide an essential additional crossing option to one of the busiest Canada to United States commercial border crossings. Once this project was complete, the new bridge will provide additional capacity to increase trade between Canada and United States. System connectivity will also be increased. And we can start this slide. Just I want to explain the greatness of this project. So yeah, we can start it. And the initiation and planning is the company's task of designing a six-lane bridge between Canada and the United States is complete. The maintenance of the bridge might be funded by installing a toll booth and bike lanes for walkers and bikers. The company has a big ambitions to repair a lot of bridges with the Michigan Junction included. As these bridges are being built, officials on both sides of the border will set up checkpoints to keep an eye on traffic. Coming to the next slide, it's about the execution, monitoring, and controlling. Full completion of the bridge is expected in 2024. Financial backing comes from the both public bridge North America and private Windsor Detroit Bridge. And Windsor Detroit Bridge Authority and Bridging North America are committed to protecting the environment both on and adjacent to the Gordie Howe International Bridge. A diverse approach is being implemented to limit any potential adverse effects on the natural environment, cultural resources, and the neighboring residents and businesses. Through daily inspections, several integrated environmental components are regularly assessed to determine the effectiveness of current actions and guide future improvements. The project will be designed, funded, operated, and maintained by the authority. There will also be a team of people whose only job it is to keep eye on how these other two teams do their jobs. On the Canadian and United States project sites, a number of environmental impact categories have been identified for monitoring and mitigations throughout the life of the project. In accordance with the commitments in the approved environmental assessment report and federal screening report in Canada, and the final environmental impact statement and record of decision in the United States. And this is from my side. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Venkat Kiran Kant, and I'm going to be explaining the next few slides. Since we are discussing about a construction project, an effective project management techniques are very important for the project to be completed. So the effective project management techniques involve initiation, execution, monitoring, controlling, and risk management. Execution is an very important aspect in a construction project is because the plan that has been designed on the paper by a civil engineer has to be executed properly by the construction managers or the project managers on site. Various stakeholders are always involved in a construction p- project. So, for the project to go on well, effective communication is important, and monitoring is a very important task because only if the project is properly monitored, we can complete the project on time, and we also should be checking the budget on time to time because we should not exceed the budget that has been allotted to us. And controlling is also a very important aspect being because only when there is an effective controlling that has been in the project, so that the project can be completed on time. One of the important aspect in a construction project is the importance of risk management or risk analysis because because a construction project is a very huge project and it takes a lot of time to be completed also, and there are many chances to see an unforeseen event in the construction project. So we always have to be prepared to face the risks in it. One such way to effectively have a risk analysis is using the methodologies such as scenario modeling and monthly schedule assessment. To talk about scenario modeling, it has been widely used in the present scenario. So we would have a scenario what might come or what negative impact might happen, and we can always be prepared to how to overcome it. Overall, the project was a huge success. It was an example of a PPP model where public and private players together the complete project, and finally they built a huge 6-lane bridge that was used to cross between the US and the Canada region, and the company exemplifies the application of project management techniques as initiation, monitoring, controlling, or risk analysis. So to conclude it, I would say for any project to be a successful, effective project management techniques are very important.